2026 Dacia Solenza represents a modern revival of a familiar name, reshaped to meet the expectations of today's budget-conscious yet style-aware buyers. Once known as a very basic and practical sedan, the Solenza returns as a more refined, compact car that stays true to Dacia's core philosophy of simplicity and affordability while embracing contemporary design, improved technology, and better overall comfort. This new generation is aimed at drivers who want reliable, everyday transportation without the high costs, often associated with modern vehicles. From the outside, the 2026 Solenza adopts a clean and confident look that clearly distances it from its older predecessor. The body features sharper lines, a wider stance, and a smoother profile that improves aerodynamics and visual appeal. Modern lighting signatures, including LED daytime running lights, give the car a more upmarket presence, while the balanced proportions ensure it looks equally at home in urban traffic or on the open road. The design is not overly aggressive, but it feels purposeful and contemporary, reflecting Dacia's evolving design language. Under the hood, the Solenza focuses on efficiency and practicality rather than outright performance. The engine lineup is expected to include small, turbocharged petrol units designed to deliver good fuel economy and low emissions, making the car suitable for daily commuting and long-term ownership. Mild hybrid technology is likely available on selected variants, improving efficiency and reducing fuel consumption in city driving. Transmission options typically include a manual gearbox for drivers who value control and affordability, alongside an automatic option for those prioritizing convenience. The driving experience is tuned for comfort, with a suspension setup that absorbs road imperfections well and provides a stable, predictable ride. Inside, the cabin shows how far Dacia has progressed in recent years. While the Solenza remains focused on value, the interior feels more modern and thoughtfully designed than earlier models. The dashboard layout is simple and functional, with improved materials in high-tech areas and a more solid overall feel. A central infotainment screen offers smartphone connectivity, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and calls as controls are intuitive and visibility is good, making the car easy to drive even for less experienced motorists. Passenger space is another strong point. With adequate legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants, the seats are designed for comfort over long journeys, and the overall cabin layout prioritizes practicality. Storage spaces throughout the interior make daily use more convenient, while the trunk provides generous cargo capacity for a compact sedan. Folding rear seats further enhance versatility, allowing the Solenza to adapt to different lifestyle needs. Safety and driver assistance systems have also been improved for 2026. The Solenza is expected to include essential features such as multiple airbags, stability, control, and anti-lock braking as standard. Depending on the trim level, additional technologies like lane assistance, emergency braking, rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera may be available. These features help bring the Solenza in line with modern safety expectations while keeping costs under control. One of the strongest advantages of the 2026 Dacia Solenza remains its pricing strategy. Positioned as an affordable alternative to more expensive compact sedans, it offers a compelling balance of features and value. Low running costs, good fuel efficiency, and straightforward maintenance make it especially attractive to first-time buyers, small families, and anyone seeking dependable transportation without unnecessary complexity. Overall, the 2026 Dacia Solenza is a clear evolution of the nameplate, blending practicality, modern styling, and essential technology into an accessible package. It may not aim to be the most powerful or luxurious car in its class, but it succeeds in delivering what many drivers truly need: reliability, comfort, efficiency, and excellent value for money in a well-rounded compact sedan.